Hello, I'm Yannick Van Doorne and I will explain you how you can use a copper pyramid in your garden or even on your farm. First you can put all the plants inside the pyramid. You see, all the plants you make or you buy, you can put inside the pyramid, and the effect of putting the plants inside the pyramid is that it will increase their energy, their vital force, their life force energy. They will be more resistant to pests, to slugs too, and also it will harmonize the energy of your plants to the energy of your garden. And this is also very important. You can also put like this your seeds in the pyramid. Like here I have some corn seeds, sunflower seeds, for example. You can put in a little pyramid. In a little pyramid it works very good too, or in a bigger pyramid like this. Where you will have the most energy will be on the top, here just over the point of the pyramid, and also in the corners of the pyramid. In the corners, inside, outside, you will have the most energy. You can also put, yes, what's also important is to put the pyramid in the proper orientation, north-south, like this. You see, with the red dot of your compass in parallel with the side of the pyramid. It's very important to make it work. So let's continue. You can also put here, when you water your plants, don't hesitate to put also your water in the pyramid. It will energize also, it will also be better for your plants. And also when you put basalt you can put also in the pyramid. I've got sometimes double yields with just putting basalt in the pyramid, that then afterwards you will put around your plants that you want to increase of life force. So you see, there are different ways of using a pyramid. Now a question that comes back regularly is, how long do you put your seeds, how long do you put the basalt, the water in the pyramid? Well, it's better to put it, for example, the longer than a few seconds, but even a few seconds will change dramatically the energy of what you put in the pyramid. But if you can put, for example, your seeds minimum, I would say, an hour in the pyramid. The effect of a pyramid is very dependent of the electricity in the air, in the atmosphere on planet Earth. And today and those days there is a lot of sunspot activity, and when the sun is very active, it brings a lot of magnetic and electrical energy to the Earth. There's a science, and then we have observed that the pyramid has a lot more effect than other days. So you can look on apps on your phone. There exist apps where you can check the sunspot activity, and when there is a high sunspot activity, the pyramid energy will also be very high. So that's very interesting to know. Also, when there are thunderstorms, then the energy of the pyramid is also a lot higher, and then you can easily double the yields, double the growth, the germination of your seeds, and the growth of your plants. If you use the pyramid when it's calm weather, then you will have less effect, but it's also good, it's also positive. There are only a few days or a few hours per month that are bad. It's when the moon is very active. Full moon, bad. That's only one day in the month that I would avoid, that I would advise you to avoid. And also when you have moon nodes, you can find that on a moon calendar. moon nodes, it's also bad energy. But other ways, 90% of the time, the pyramid will give you good energy. What is also very important is your intentions. The better are your intentions, if you really want to increase the energy, if you really want to improve your yield, if you really want to have good quality fruit and vegetables, and that you do it for the well-being of your whole family and all the friends and the people you want to help, then when your intentions are pure and positive, you will get also a lot better results than with no intentions or bad intentions. Because a pyramid is also an amplifier of your intentions. Be very conscious of that. So I think I've did a summary of what you can do very quickly in your garden and to improve your results this year. If you do already, the use of a pyramid can change dramatically the results you get in your garden and also on your farm. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Please subscribe on my channel and share if you like it. Thank you very much. Here, that's eggplant, peppers, tomatoes. For example, here you see two spirals. Well, you can imagine that in a pyramid, just another aspect of the energy of a pyramid, you can imagine those spirals. In the reality, you have a spiral energy above the pyramid and inside the pyramid that concentrate the life force, the organ energy inside the pyramid and at the corners. So what you see here is a spiral also exists in the invisible world, you see, because all energy moves while spiraling. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Bye.